Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is my pleasure and honor to announce to you today a global announcement. And of course, global announcement requires global measures, and that's why I'm making it global. And today, I'm wearing a suit like I used to wear, but it is more official because this is going to be a beginning of a new challenge that I'm setting up for the next decade. For the next 10 years, which is gonna be in 2035. In 10 years, we are ahead, or we are heading to build a global community of 10 million people around the world. People that are interested in people that are interested in fitness, especially running, and people that are interested in digital entrepreneurship. I believe in the next coming years, the things are going to change, especially with the upcoming availability of the AI is available. Most of the things are gonna change, and the way we consume videos and the way we consume content are also going to change dramatically. So that is why I'm also allowing myself to remain flexible along the way and not sticking to such a unique part of creating content. And I believe the next creator are going to have a huge market share, in the sense of we want something real. We want to consume type of content like this where there is not much editing to it. We want to feel such a realness from people, and for the next couple of years we will have the market share, and this is the vision of the next 10 years coming. And ladies and gentlemen, time is flying. Time doesn't wait for anybody, and we know it. We all know it. And then we say we have to be patient, and patience is acting while you wait. So for the next 10 years coming, I want you with me. I want you on this journey. I want you because this is your journey. This is our journey. It is a journey to build something for the loved ones, for the people that we love, for our family, for our friends, for our community, for our country, for our nation, for our world. And this is the moment, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not talking politically. I'm talking free friendly, because I know you have that desire in you. You have that burning desire in you. And you have to let yourself express the greatness that the world or the universe has entrusted in you. And that is why this community is special and important for you. It is not about selling you something, but it is about welcoming you at home where you belong to. And this is not about cultural boundaries. It is not about racial boundaries. It is about a global thing. And this is the community that we believe in. This is the community that we gonna create and set up properly for the next generation of aspiring entrepreneurs and fitness guys. So ladies and gentlemen, this is it. And for the next 10 years coming, like I said, it's gonna be 10 million subscribers on YouTube alone, and we have to look at other platforms as well. And the reason why I said this as a sort of global brand building is because I'm going to communicate in every major language in the world. French, English, Spanish, because I do speak these three languages, and I'm going to learn Mandarin, of course, because Mandarin is actually one of the biggest language in the world, which is spoken in China. Well, I intend to reach some public some audience in China. I don't know how that does go yet, but I'm learning, and I will learn that. But the goal is to build a global community for these specific interests. People that are interested in running, fitnesses. Different type of fitness. You might be going to the gym. I also go to the gym sometimes, but I run most of the time. People that are interested in business entrepreneurship, people that are interested in philosophy, people that are interested in literacy, people that are interested in a bunch of things. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the community, this is the home. People that are interested in our humanity, in the world. I'm not a scientist, I'm not a mathematician, but I'm interested in everything, and we can explore them together as we grow and as we learn. And that is the beauty of this of this journey. It is about curiosity, it is about learning, it's about opening our mind to new things, it's about exploring, it is about discovering. That's what we are going to do together, and I implore you to come with me and to join me in order to build this home, in order to build this community for you, for your children, for your brothers, for your sisters, for your family. And share this video with your loved ones. Invite them to join us and invite them to be at home, and this is where they belong to, ladies and gentlemen. You know that, all right? So without further ado, let's dive into this project, and it's gonna be amazing. I'm excited about it. Of course, there are going to be challenges, there are going to be days we may not be able to do as we say we will do, but we are human beings. Hey, we make mistakes and we grow together. And I feel confident in this because throughout the last person years, I've seen how much I've grown throughout mistakes. And the perfect way doesn't exist. The perfect way is just doing something and getting better. There is no perfection. Of course, I'm perfectionist. I want everything to be perfect, but there is no perfection. You have to do it over and over again. So that's what we are intending here to do. And I also encourage you to start with me. Start today. I'm not selling you anything here. There is no product here. Of course, if you want to have some free running course, and we have some free courses on my website, you can check on the link in the description, chriskobe.com, to just choose any product you want for free to explore. That means I want to help you start your transformative journey. Ladies and gentlemen, this is not scripted. This is nothing about selling you a thing, but it is about inviting you to this global building community, and I believe it's gonna be huge in the next coming year. And I believe you see the vision already. You also have the same vision, and if you are that person that all wanna build this global community, it is the best place for you to build and grow together. And ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you all. My name is Chris Kobe. Well, my real name is Christoph, but my name is Chris Kobe. But here we are, and thank you for joining. And I'm really excited to have you on board. I'm really super happy to have you all around me. And this is the family we want. This is the family we need to grow, to build. And thank you. Today is 15th of January 2025. And I remember the date because it's gonna be a memorable date for all of us here that we're gonna remember for the rest of our lives. And this all gonna pass, we all gonna die, we all gonna be forgotten, but let's do it for the people that we love. Let's do it for the loved ones. And you see the vision, you are convinced about it. Let's not waste any more time. Let's build this while we enjoy it. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. It's my pleasure.